Welcome to episode 11.
If you don't know us already, we're Harry and Nikki, and last month we finished our 17-seater minibus campervan conversion in order to take it across Europe this summer. So we're back after spending a week with our friends in Mykonos.
So in this vlog, we made our way to Croatia, going from Italy and through Slovenia.
We found some beautiful park-ups and met some fellow British van lifers on the road.
So that being enough said, let's get on with the video. So welcome to vlog 11 everyone.
Welcome.
Are you going to update them?
Yeah, this clock tower is going fucking nuts, by the way. So basically we didn't vlog last week because we were in Mykonos with some friends, having a nice week partying, not really chilling out. It was kind of just heavy partying for a week.
Yeah, it was.
That's why we're very rough right now.
Yeah, we've got like fresh as flu, but we've taken COVID tests. We're completely clear. We've obviously had both of our jabs as well, so yeah, it's just fresh as flu.
It's just the payment of drinking for a week.
Yeah.
We did get some awesome drone shots at the villa though, guys. We decided not to vlog it because it was such a different style to the life we've been living out here. Yeah. It would have just literally been constant partying and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, it was a beautiful week.
We'll put up some pictures now of like us at the villa, and it was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was awesome. It was awesome. But yeah, our plan right now is we've just stopped on the way to Croatia because we chilled out at a beach in Italy for the last 24 hours, just recovering from our flight and stuff like that. Yeah. But we've just stopped to make some salmon, avocado, cream cheese and coriander sandwiches, roll things.
This is like my dream food because I love salmon and avocado.
It looks so good. So yeah, we've just stopped for like 1 minute to do that, and we're going to hit the road again now and head to a campsite in Croatia because it's Nikki's birthday tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
It is your birthday tomorrow, so we're going to be at a campsite overnight tonight, so we get a nice little morning wake up at a campsite.
Take a guess in the comments how old I am going to be.
They surely know.
Oh, okay. Well, don't. I'm going to be 22.
Hey, well done. But yeah, we're going to hit the road and head to Croatia. To Slovenia.
See you in a bit. So we're in Slovenia now. We can only tell because the signs for all of the places look Slovenian, don't they?
Look very Slovenian to me.
So yeah, we'll show you a screenshot of the map. We're literally kind of going in between the Italian border to Slovenia, and then going through the Slovenia border to Croatia.
So next stop, Croatia.
Yeah, Umag in Croatia. We're at the border.
Okay guys, we are through the border. So there was a little queue just before. We had to choose our lane, EU or non-EU. Obviously we went non-EU now. Guy stopped us, he was waving all the EU nationals through, stopped us, took our passports, didn't mention a word about COVID, which was weird, considering we're young as well, didn't ask about our vaccines or anything.
Yeah, it was weird.
Put a little stamp on our passport and we are through, out of the Schengen area.
Woo!
So,
we're in Croatia!
Croatia!
Woo! Where are we going now?
Okay, maybe not.
You know?
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the
So we've got to our campsite. We're in Croatia in a place called Umag. This is a massive campsite. There's 10,000 spots here, which is mad. So
why are we at a campsite?
Huh?
Why are we at a campsite?
We're at a campsite because it is illegal to wild camp in Croatia, which is really annoying because it's not really it's like, it reminds me of Butlins.
We might try chance it a bit this week. We'll see what the vibe is with next. We don't want to be pissing anyone off, but at the same time, it would be nice to go and get some wild camp spots.
And the campsites are like on average like €40 a night.
However,
we made a friend at the counter, the check-in desk, and he said that we could park our van like on the outside kind of a camper place for €10, and he gave us these wristbands for an extra €5 each, so we can use all the facilities. So we've been swimming earlier. We've used their toilets, we've been to a bar.
So everyone else here is paying like €40 a night and we're paying like 15 each.
Yeah.
No, 15 overall.
Overall, yeah.
No, 20 overall, which is kind of amazing. We kind of smashed it.
Yeah, we have, and we're just going to keep these wristbands for like the next day as well, because it's my birthday tomorrow, so we don't really know what we're doing.
But yeah, bye.
Bye.
So, good morning, guys. It is the morning. It is Nikki's birthday today, and me being a bit of an unorganised boyfriend, I've just gone and bought a postcard because I didn't buy her a birthday card. I've written it out, and I've got us 2 coffees. There's only one here. The other one's just on the side inside. But yeah, got us 2 coffees. So I'm going to go wake her up and give them to her now. She might be awake already, but we will see. Happy birthday!
I was already.
Coffee.
Oh.
There's your card.
Oh, thank you.
I didn't get a birthday card. This is the best I could do because I didn't get a birthday card.
Oh, thank you. That's so cute.
But yeah, happy
Thank
bloody
you so
birthday,
much.
next.
Oh my god, you're so cute. I was wondering where you went.
Want to get a little postcard?
8 a.m.
I know. We're early risers. You got to make the most of your 22nd birthday.
Yeah.
Woo!
You're so cute.
Right.
I'm so sleepy.
Let's have our coffees and then get to your birthday, eh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so we are up now on Nikki's birthday. We've had a nice chill morning, and we are going to head to a, what's it called?
Aqua obstacle park thing. It's literally in Butlins.
My cough is so bad.
Oh, am I that funny?
Right, we've got to stop calling it Butlins. But yeah, they have a little aqua park here. We're going to go do that for Nikki's birthday now.
Yeah.
Sunbathe and chill out for a bit, listen to some music, because we're like that. Bit hippie.
Bob Marley.
And then head to another park up or something just for the day to find a nice little viewpoint for this
Yeah.
gal's birthday.
We're gonna go head down south, aren't we?
Yeah. So yeah, enjoy
See you in a bit.
the montage.
I want sunshine, I want rain, I want love, I want the pain. Cheer me up, gon' say my name, cause it don't feel the same. When you're not around, the feelings come out. I wish I could say that I figured it out. Got my head in the clouds when I'm feeling down. Now that I know I can figure this out. And little time's gonna take our lost and found, that's what we are. City lights in plastic cars, tiny people, giant stars. We don't care about what we find, we just need each other's time. Young and reckless by design, I find my peace of mind, cause I don't wanna keep on.
Okay. Well, thank you for calling. Love you. Bye.
Have a fantastic day.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello, boy.
Sorry, he loves dogs.
Don't love men.
Oh, she's like men. She likes women though. Yes. So I just wanted to address the fact that we would never come here normally because wild camping is illegal in Croatia. You kind of have to go to campsites. But this one, obviously we said we happened to get for very cheap. And we said over the next couple of days we're going to look for more wild camping spots. Apparently there's like some restaurants where if you have dinner there, you can stay the night for free and stuff like that.
But yeah, I think we just want to see if it's possible to wild camp because I think a lot of people are saying it's not possible.
Yeah, we're going to give it a go. On Part for Night there's been a lot of fines handed out.
Yeah, the thing is we want to test
£200 per person.
we want to test the limit, but we also don't want to piss people off or get a fine.
Yeah, and be in the wrong places and, you know, because we're not like that.
But it's nice just to be here and using all the facilities. It's a beautiful
Yeah.
place anyway.
Then that's successful.
Oh, very successful.
We got way more than we thought we were going to get. Spent 25 quid instead of 5, but there we go. At least we've got crisps.
We have crisps.
Crisps and alcohol, and I got a new towel, and wow.
Wow, we got sorted.
Wowza. Bye! Oh, that guy thought I was waving at him.
Alright guys, so we've arrived at this awesome little park up. We're just like under these nice little trees, right on a nice beach with really blue waters. The park for night will be coming up on the screen now, or it will be linked in the description below.
You can't actually park for night here, you can park for day here.
Yeah, so we've read a lot of reviews here, and although we wanted to kind of stay here for a place like this for a night, a lot of people have said they got fined 1,000 kroner, whatever it is. So yeah, we don't really want to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go park at this restaurant we're going to tonight, but we're going to enjoy here for now, chill out on this little beach, and then head there later.
Cool. Very excited.
Out of your bed.
Not arrivederci, babes.
More importantly, Ada has dropped down again.
So Harry's obsessed with Binance at the moment.
Oh, I didn't know you were actually filming.
Wow, everyone's going to see the real Harry and how obsessed he is with Binance and cryptocurrency. We have money in Ada. If anyone does, then cool.
If anyone does, you're a real one.
Yeah, comment if you're into cryptocurrency in the comments. Cool.
Okay guys, so last night we went for dinner, which was awesome. We went with Little Feet Big Wheels. Their Instagram will be coming up for you now. Basically just chatted to them online a bit before. Awesome couple. And we had some drinks, we chilled out. What did we have for dinner? We had pizza. Like
pizza, calamari was so good.
Calamari, fried calamari. And today we got a little visitor in our van.
Yeah.
This little guy.
Hey Jude. Hi.
Been chilling with us this morning.
Are you playing?
Playing with all our
electronics.
Electronics he loves.
We've been trying to find him safe electronics to play with.
But yeah, just chilling out today, about to have some brekkie, just had some coffee.
I know, it's so nice.
Amazing.
And we parked at the restaurant, didn't we?
We did park at the restaurant because basically Lockie basically emailed the restaurant owner in advance and checked it was okay to stay in the restaurant overnight because it was on park for night and it was absolutely fine in the end. All you have to do is just go in and get a meal or something basically. It wasn't too expensive and it was decent food. So
sweet.
A lovely night in the end.
Awesome. Oh, what are you doing? He's so cute.
Okay, so that is all for this week, guys.
Just to let everyone know, by the way, Jude was actually fine. He didn't actually fall off the bed. He was just like kind of close to. But obviously Harry grabbed his legs, so he's fine.
Yeah, he was absolutely fine in the end. But yeah, next week we're going to try and get a bit more bold with wild camping in Croatia because this week we played it quite safe, just getting a feel for the area. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please do like, please do subscribe and leave us a comment of any suggestions of places to visit in Croatia.
And we will see you
next week.
Bye guys.